Okay, so first up is the 0.88 carat stone. Beautiful stone, that one. Very, very nice. Lots of gem colour. Up next is the 0.6 carat stone. Also very nice gem colour there. I personally think the 0.88 might be a little bit nicer than this, but there's not much in it. Now, if you'd like to go something a little different in shape, I do have this white opal here. It's just under 2 carats. It's a pear shape. And it's actually one of my favourites in my white opal inventory at this point in time, to be honest. I quite like this stone. It's just beautiful colour all throughout.